Township Entrepreneurs Stories is a web series proudly brought to you by T. We profile small businesses nationwide that are providing services and products ekasi.
Hi, my name is Merlyn Thabela. I am the founder of Nyambenimer Trading. My business started on 2020. I'm working from at Bufuri. It's next to Bufuri Donut Freezer. I've started my company because I am talented and I also want to create jobs. In my business, we do beading works, we do a traditional attire beading, and the tekis, I do decorate them. Then I do handbags using the, I do handbag using the, as you can see, these are the t-shirt cloth, and the other ones I'm using the beads. Then I also do the shoes like this one that I'm wearing. I'm using the wool. And the other things that I also do, I do the mat, and at the moment we are doing the vase, flower vase. Our products are available nationwide through courier. We can courier them for you. People must choose us because our products are quality and we make them from our hearts. You can find me through my contact number is 082-590-7691. It's on WhatsApp, and you can also find me on Facebook. It's Nyambenimer Trading. Hi, my name is Merlyn. I am a Township Entrepreneur.